The sun gesture is simple. You start at your heart, as most of the time when you do eurythmy, and then you reach out the right arm to the space in front above, the left arm to the space below, behind. And then try in a way to touch the surrounding sphere. And with small circles, you let your fingertips just circle on this sphere. You remember that when you do this exercise that you have your center here, and you reach out, that you really, in a way, touch the circle around you, the sphere with your fingertips. You feel it at your fingertips, although it's far further out. And when you do the sun gesture, from the heart you ray out, that carries your arms along, but then you start sensing this. It's not a circle anymore, it's a sphere, and you just touch the sphere and use your fingertips to encounter it in calm circles. And again, return to yourself and let go. I interrupt from time to time that the arms don't become too heavy. You can continue if you want to. And I let the hands return to my center, because they always like to be where I am. And as I haven't lost myself, they find me here. Why did I not lose myself? Because the sun, the heart, is the master of contradictions. I'm reaching out to the you sphere in a way. But then I feel, I sense, and these sensations stream in and make my heart rich and radiant, full of light, a source of light. But its origin is out there. But its coming into being is in here. And technically, again, how do I move my hands? One hand in front, side, in front, above, low, behind, aside. And then the circling takes place in a way that in front it goes down, down it comes in, and then in the middle, in front it goes up, and then when it goes back it goes out. It's arising, going out, and a descending and coming in. Same as in Venus and Mercury. And very quietly to allow your fingertips to feel. Your heart is at your fingertips, and from there something which is very tender, lets your inner being feel touched by what you feel out there. And allow yourself to really ray this out through your center while you are doing the sun gesture. So normally we think the heart is here and raise here, as we did with the owl. In the sun gesture, our heart is as big as that. And creates from there its healing qualities there. One last time. Research. Growing. Growing love. I invite you to calmly sit down and listen to the resonance. How does my chest and my arms feel now? Do I feel my arms as a whole, or do I feel parts of my limbs in different ways? How comfortable do I feel around my chest after I've done quite a lot of big movements? Does it nevertheless feel good? And how do I perceive that? And if I look at deeper layers of my breath, what would my breath like to say? And when you have look a little bit of, sense a little bit in your surroundings nearby, what's the quality which is in the space, which you feel there, which you assume there? And what about your feet? In which way are they present?